Underwater, a localized kinetic strike generates temperatures that briefly match the surface of the sun. The biological platform executing this strike is the Odontodactylus scyllarus, an advanced supercavitating striker. Supercavitation is a fluid dynamics effect, where an object moves fast enough to create a bubble of vapor that encompasses the moving body, significantly reducing drag. The organism's striking appendage reaches 23 meters per second, creating a localized vacuum bubble that rapidly collapses and emits a brief, intense flash of sonoluminescence. Sonoluminescence is the emission of short bursts of light from imploding bubbles in a liquid when excited by mechanical shock. At the moment of that flash, the core temperature inside the collapsing bubble reaches an estimated 4,000 to 5,000 degrees Celsius. This comparison shows the similarity in the forward-striking profiles between a modern military supercavitating torpedo and the mantis shrimp's dactyl club. The core endomeering tension lies in the chassis. The biological framework must survive these localized thermodynamic anomalies without experiencing material failure. The platform weaponizes localized plasma physics through the delivery of concentrated kinetic force. To understand how a 23 meter per second biological mechanism vaporizes water, we must examine the fluid dynamics created in the wake of the club. The club's speed generates a massive Bernoulli pressure gradient. The Bernoulli equation states that increased fluid speed occurs simultaneously with decreased static pressure. The trailing pressure drops below water's vapor pressure, the point where liquid instantly transitions into gas. This drop forces the liquid water to instantly phase change into vapor, generating massive, transient supercavitation bubbles. Because these bubbles are essentially vacuums, the surrounding hydrostatic pressure of the water immediately drives a violent collapse. This collapse triggers adiabatic compression. Adiabatic compression is a thermodynamic process where the temperature of a gas rises as its volume is rapidly decreased without the loss of heat to the environment. This compression translates the bubble collapse into extreme heat and sonoluminescence. The organism utilizes hydrodynamic manipulation to turn the surrounding aquatic environment into a secondary high-temperature thermal payload. Reaching a 23 meter per second threshold underwater requires examining the internal kinematics driving the strike. The strike requires accelerations of 10,400 Gs, or roughly 100,400 meters per second squared. This chart plots the velocity limits of standard biological muscle contraction. Direct muscle contraction is mathematically too slow to achieve these acceleration numbers, as muscle fibers are limited by the speed of internal chemical reactions. Contracting muscle fibers at this speed would cause immediate biological material failure. To achieve this, the system must completely decouple muscular movement from the actual kinetic delivery. This kinematic bypass allows the organism to reach supercavitation speeds while protecting its internal tissues. The evolutionary solution is the Latch-Mediated Spring Actuation, or LAMPSA system, located within the meris. LAMPSA is a biomechanical mechanism that uses a latch to store muscular energy in a spring for instantaneous release. The system operates as a dynamic force amplification platform, functioning similarly to a medieval trebuchet. During the loading phase, muscular contraction is used slowly to bank mechanical energy, tracked by the formula for elastic potential energy, U equals 1/2 kx squared. This energy is stored by compressing a specialized scleratized dual-layer saddle spring. To prevent this compressed spring from shattering, the structure is reinforced with Bouligand microstructure armor. Bouligand microstructure is a biological architecture of spiraling, helical fiber layers that deflect stress and prevent crack propagation. Once loaded, a mechanical latch engages, holding the potential energy in a static state. This ensures zero energy bleed, allowing the platform to remain primed until identifying a target. When the trigger is pulled, the mechanical latch snaps open. The spring matrix releases, violently transferring banked potential energy into kinetic output. This acceleration curve shows how the zero-duration energy transfer creates the 100,400 meters per second squared acceleration, following the law of force equals mass times acceleration. The LAMPSA framework translates slow biological energy generation into an instantaneous explosive force delivery platform. Beyond the kinetic drive system, we must examine the organism's targeting and guidance software. A 104G supercavitating strike requires precise navigation to handle the fluid dynamics of a turbulent environment. The organism utilizes acoustic signature processing matrices for navigation, emitting pulses that bounce off chaotic environmental structures. This functions like human LiDAR. The brain processes this data using path integration logic matrices to calculate a precise predictive trajectory path over time. This onboard sensor fusion filters out environmental noise to achieve precise prey localization. Raw kinetic power requires noise filtering guidance to be deployed effectively as a weapon. This complete structural schematic displays the integration of the biological weapons platform. The payload is the generation of a 5,000 degrees Celsius localized plasma anomaly via Bernoulli-induced supercavitation. The delivery system is the 104G kinematic bypass, achieved through the Lambda spring mechanism. The guidance system integrates acoustic processing with path integration logic matrices for precise targeting. This level of system integration achieves supercavitation and plasma generation within a biological chassis, whereas human engineering typically requires the scale of a high-velocity torpedo to manage the same fluid dynamics. The Odontodactylus scyllarus demonstrates that supercavitating plasma warfare can be miniaturized and deployed with an efficiency that matches or exceeds current high-velocity mechanical engineering.